इनसे मिलिए। ये जॉब ढूंढ रही हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे से नेटवर्क भी कर लेती हैं। ये हर जगह अप्लाई कर चुकी हैं, मेहनती हैं, काम करना और कराना जानती हैं। इन अ नटशेल, योर आइडियल जॉब कैंडिडेट। लेकिन इनका ये रेज्यूमे देखिए। विल यू गिव हर अ कॉल फॉर दैट जॉब ओपनिंग? मे बी नॉट।
Do you also feel lazy to amp up your resume game? Yes? लगा ही था मुझे. Your resume is the most important job-winning document there is. And here's the truth bomb. This lazy, copied resume is not going to get you a call back. While it looks like a lot of work, which it is not, resume बनाना काफी fun साबित हो सकता है. Before we kick things off, please head to Canva or CV Maker to design your resume side by side. There's a template and format for everyone. So don't worry about that and let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right format. Essentially, 4 तरह के resume formats होते हैं. Chronological resume for the ones who have no lapses in employment, have a rock solid work experience, and are looking for mid-level or senior positions. जैसे कि एक बैंक branch manager. Functional resume is used by freshers or candidates जिनका skills पर focus होता है, जैसे कि एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर या फिर एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर. The third kind is a combination resume, जो कि functional और chronological resume का concoction होता है. It is mainly used by candidates who have a diverse skill set as well as the experience to go with it. The last kind is a targeted resume, wherein you design and customize that resume for a specific job. So use the right format and template, which is professional, is easy on the eyes, and is no longer than one page. Step 2. Lay down the basics. Start your resume with your name in a medium large font. Follow it up by your role or position in a slightly smaller font. Recruiter को पहले ही पता चल जाएगा that you mean business. Step 3. A short story time. Recruiters want to know all about you in 30 seconds. So keep your bio brief, encapsulating and honest. Include your core skills, aspirations and experience to match your recruiter's requirement. This will help them know where you're coming from and where you want to go. Step 4. Get into details. अगर आप fresher है तो add your education details on the right next to the About Me section. Your last degree and diploma comes first, followed by the one before that. Since you're a fresher, आपका CGPA और overall percentage will add some weight here. इसके बाद कॉलेज में किए गए assignments, internships, dissertations और team projects को experience में डालिए. If you have a solid experience of 1 to 2 years or above, then add your last job experience first. Follow it up by all the jobs that you've undertaken. हर एक्सपीरियंस के नीचे उस जॉब का रोल और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को मेंशन कीजिए. Limit it under 2 bullet points each. Mention the targets and goals that you achieved. Don't say I handled the production of the Vasan branch. Instead, say that while I was the production manager, the production went up by 10x and helped achieve the 100,000 sales target for the month. Did you notice the difference? Responsibilities की जगह achievements को mention करना is a better hook. Step 5. The skill show. Don't you always check out the features and specifications of a product before buying it? Recruitment में भी ऐसा ही होता है. Listing out your skills will make it easier for the recruiter to decide whether you're a good fit for the role or not. तो आपको अपने skills अच्छे से mention करने हैं without being cliché. Mention skills that are unique to your job, जैसे कि strategy, planning, design, editing, etc. etc. Step 6. Finishing touches. Add your true contact details in the resume and use a professional ID, not the one that you made to use awkward. But use hyperlinks. Do not just copy paste the entire link. You can hyperlink in PDF files too. If there's a job that you really want, then उस job से related जो keywords हैं, उसको अपने resume में highlight कीजिए. Finally, अपने resume को PDF फाइल में convert करके ही send कीजिए. आजकल वर्ड फाइल्स को सेंड करना थोड़ा अनप्रोफेशनल लगता है और वो सॉफ्टवेयर सबके पास अवेलेबल भी नहीं होता है. See, नहीं था ना मुश्किल? That resumes are difficult to write is a massive lie that someone spread just to avoid the effort. So do follow these steps and tips and remember to keep your resume neat, clean and clear. Just like that examination answer sheet, but shorter. That's all for this video. If you liked it, then do give it a big thumbs up, share it with your cool kanyas and do not forget to hit the subscribe button right below along with the bell icon. And until next time, raise your power.